Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to hide video on iPhone. So if you have a video footage on your iPhone Photos app and now you want to hide the video, here's the easy method to hide any videos on iPhone. Go ahead and launch the Photos app and search for the video that you want to hide. Now open the video, or you can tap and hold on the video and just tap on hide. Tap on hide video, and as you can see, the video has been removed from my Photos library app. It means the video is hidden now. And to hide multiple videos, tap on select and select those videos you want to hide. Now tap on this three dot. Tap on hide. Tap on hide videos. And that's how we can hide a single or multiple videos. And now let's see how to find hidden videos. Go to albums and here scroll down. Under utilities, tap on hidden. And here you will find all of your hidden videos. And to hide these hidden album or hidden folder, go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on photos, and here just disable show hidden album. Once it's turned off, go to Photos app, go to albums, and here if you scroll down, here you won't find the hidden album. And if you want to hide the hidden album, if you want to lock the hidden album, you can enable use Face ID. Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. And to get these use Face ID option, you have to update your iOS version to 17. Okay, now if I go to my Photos app and albums, and as you can see, hidden folder currently locked. To view my hidden photos, I have to verify my Face ID. So this is how we can actually hide videos on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.